Welcome to the video. This video is actually a second attempt at me comparing the new ChatGPT 3.03 to DeepSeek's R1. And YouTube user McDoss in 3D brought it to my attention that I forgot to click this button. So we were actually comparing the wrong model. So what we're going to do now is go ahead and do this correctly. And I'm going to copy my prompt over here. I'm going to paste it in here. I'm going to paste this in here. And we are using, so this is fast advanced reasoning, and this is great. It says great at coding and logic. So, so we will go ahead and compare this since it's great at coding and logic to Deepseek. So let's go ahead and just get these going. Okay, so let's see where we're at. And I also removed the extra code that I had for this. Now, this is interesting because the previous time we did this, it actually separated things into different files. And this time it put it all in one file. Now, that may be because of the extra prompts that I had that it did that. So let's see what this has done. Okay, ironically, this put everything in one file too. So, all right, let's go ahead and copy this and go over to, let's see, our file here. Let me just open this up in VS Code. Come on. And we'll just delete these. And I'm going to delete all that. I'm going to paste the 03 code there, and then we'll get the Deepseek code here, R1. I'm going to save that, and just making sure we have the right model selected. Everything looks good. All right, so let's go ahead and do open this up. Oops, open this up in live serve. Here we are. Okay, let me drag this over here because that is the 03 model, and I'll just do the same just for the sake of quickness here. Okay, and that's the O. Okay, so now we're seeing something very different. So the R1 is here, and the 03 is here. So let's test this out. So we'll just go to do 1, press enter, that works. And let's go to do 2, click add task, to do 3. Okay, so we okay, so now when you click on it, it is doing a cross through or checking it off. There's no checkbox, so that's not good, but it is working. Let's see about this one here. So let's go to do 1. Okay, so pressing enter still is not creating to do. Let's go ahead and click the add. We'll go to do 2, add, to do 3, add, and this is not it's not checking it off. Delete works. Delete works. Let's see. Yeah, delete works. Let's see. No storage going on here. Okay, so no. Okay, we have local storage. So yeah, R1 has actually created local storage with this. So yeah, let's see. Test in local storage. So that's pretty good win. That's tough because for a developer, you definitely want to have, or if you're building an app out like this, you definitely want to be able to use local storage. You don't want to close the window and lose everything. So that's a plus there. But at the same time, it's a check. It's a to-do list. You need to be able to check your to-do list completed, and the fact that you can't do that on here is not good. So that's sort of a toss-up. I mean, that's I'm not sure. Design-wise, they look very very similar. Delete all, so it's giving you this extra thing, and it does work. I mean, that's bonus there. So with the local storage and that, I would say maybe R1 wins by a hair, but without, I don't know, not being able to press enter to add the task sort of nullifies it a little bit, and not having the checkbox. So um, yeah, I mean, there's pros and cons to each one, and I will let you guys decide which one the best one is. All right. Hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks again to the user who or viewer who called my attention that I was not using the correct model for the Deepseek R1.